Welcome to your IsiXhosa lessons with Kolping Mbumba.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to your IsiXhosa lessons with myself, Kolping Mbumba. Today, I'm taking you through the IsiXhosa word Iqwakaza. Iqwakaza. Now, Iqwakaza is a dangerous beast that sleeps inside the bodies of all Xhosa people and is to never, under any circumstances, be woken up. Never, Baba. Never wake up Iqwakaza. Anytime. Iqwakaza is a literal, sudden, overwhelming short temper that has the ability to rise up and wake up in any Xhosa person. Ngakumbi sinyeleka. When Iqwakaza is up and fully alert, it is very important to keep it calm so that it doesn't make noise. Iqwakaza liyathanda yofundekela. And when Iqwakaza makes noise, it is most guaranteed that it will wake up Inkenqe. Now, Inkenqe is a fire-spitting dragon that resides inside all Xhosa people's head. Legend has it that when Inkenqe wakes up, kuqhawuka yeva, Ibazizijwili, kuqhawuka ujingi, abantwana bedlala, kukhala mayoyoyo. Never wake those two things up. Inkenqe and Iqwakaza. Iqwakaza is spelled Iqwakaza. Iqwakaza. One more time. Iqwakaza. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.